await the end of the presentation. Presentation is going to take a little bit, not as long as you were worried about, but indeed we have some other people here to talk about. With me today, to my right, is Dr. Gary Brucato, who is a clinical and forensic psychologist, researcher, and nationally known author for his work in the areas of violence, including serial killing, especially serial killing, mass murder, and sexual offenses, as well as severe mental illnesses. He's a visiting scholar at Boston College, an expert on the Cold Case Foundation panel. He's worked at Columbia University, the New York State Psychiatric Institute, and he's co-created the Columbia Mass Murder Database, the largest and most definitive study of mass murder ever conducted. He's written nearly 100 articles, peer-reviewed articles, and he's written a well-known book in this field called The New Evil: Understanding the Emergence of Modern Violent Crime. He co-authored that with another doctor. He's presently working in several forensic training programs, and he's a friend of mine, and he's been working with me on this case over the course of approximately a year. So he's here today to do some explaining and connecting of the dots that I'm going to put out there for you with what we have learned, what we have discovered. First, I have nothing but admiration for the work of the District Attorney Ray Tierney and his task force in their use of technology and DNA. But we disagree on two very important subjects: the murder of Shannan Gilbert and the suspicion of culpability of the family of Rex Heuermann. I've been the gatekeeper in this case, or these cases, going all the way back to the end of 2011 until now. And I'm going to continue in that role. And just so it's clear, because we've heard critics, I have not made one penny in this case from anyone, and the man I sued has no money. We will make no money in all the work that I have done from the beginning. We're not in this for the money, and never have been. I'm in pursuit of Shannan Gilbert's killers and the full truth and the facts and circumstances surrounding all of these murders, as I've been from the beginning. I represent that family, the Gilbert family, and I represent several victims' families of Rex Heuermann who survived him and were attacked. So I'm not here today, by the way, to just speak about exclusively about Shannan, but I'm here to speak about what we have discovered regarding one of the children and the implications of that for the family. Now, look, if you're of the school that you say all that happened to Shannan Gilbert was a coincidence, all those things were coincidences and circumstantial evidence only, no matter how strong the evidence was or is, you say it's not proof enough to suggest that she was murdered, then you don't stay here. You don't need to, and you don't need to watch this conference on streaming on the internet, because you will be disappointed. Most of the things that we know happened, we know from circumstantial evidence. But what we have here is circumstantial evidence. But if you're able to accept that circumstantial evidence can be strong, as a great lawyer once said, as when you find a trout in the milk. That circumstantial evidence can be filled with right-minded inferences, real inferences, inescapable conclusions. This conference is for you. I'm thinking I had a case with a newly constructed wall which tipped over and broke a worker's legs.
All right.
Sorry, everyone. Are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Please have a seat, and I apologize. Good evening. This is the 8 p.m. calendar for the 15th day of the month. On the first day of the month, orders were read onto the record that affect all of you regarding DNA and fingerprinting. In just a moment, I'm calling up to the podium one at a time. Always follow the officer's instructions. When you get to the podium, I need your name. I'll tell you the charges you're here on. I'll appoint most of you an attorney. I'll set your next hearing date, give you the location. I'll set your general release conditions. All of you will have general release conditions. They are as follows. Do not make contact with the arresting officers. Do not possess any drugs without a valid prescription. Do not drive a motor vehicle without a valid license. Keep us informed as to where you're living. If you're on probation, you'll be ordered to contact your probation officer. If the charges you are here on indicate there may be a victim, you will be ordered not to go around the victim and not to return to the scene of the alleged crime. At the end of the hearing, the officer will hand you some paperwork. Read it carefully at your earliest convenience. Thank you, everyone. Quinones is first. And then Angel Bergen is after this lady. Tell me your full name, please, miss.
Pasita Quiñones.
Miss, this is a conspiracy case, which is a Class 2 felony. Dangerous drugs for sale, Class 2 felony. Narcotic drugs for sale, Class 2 felony. Illegal control of an enterprise, a Class 3 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, miss. Your next hearing, downtown Phoenix, is on the 24th day of February. Bond is $15,000. Good luck, miss.
Can I ask you something?
I may not be able to answer it, but go right ahead.
My sister paid my bond.
Yes, she can.
No, she already did.
Okay.
It was paid on, because I was here on the January 9th. She paid the bond on the,
Well, this is
13?
this is a new case.
so what's gonna happen with the bond money that she already paid? It was
That's a
the
different
same.
case.
What do you mean it's a different case?
Miss, I have a new case here.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what you're talking about, but if there was a bond paid,
Uh-huh.
then you will get credit for that.
Oh, okay.
Good luck.
So, okay.
Angel, come on up, Angel. And Nicholas Gibbs is after Angel.
Good evening, Your Honor. My name is Angel Bulgarian, date of birth 12/12/2000.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate the additional information. This is a one count of discharging a firearm at a resident, which is a Class 2 felony, and one count of discharging a firearm within the city limits. That's a Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have two hearings coming up, the 21st and the 25th, both of them downtown Phoenix. Bond is $10,000. Good luck, sir.
A quick question, do I have to pay 10% of that?
No, that's a cash bond,
10,000.
cash. Good luck.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
Mr. Gibbs, Nicholas, and then Valdez, Michael is after Gibbs. Sir, tell me your full name.
Nicholas Gibbs.
Mr. Gibbs, you have two different matters. One is a shoplifting as a Class 4 felony and narcotic drugs as a Class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 21st and then again on the 26th, both of them downtown Phoenix. Bond is $1,000. The next one, sir, is a shoplifting on a surprise municipal court. That's a misdemeanor. I cannot appoint you an attorney in a misdemeanor case. That's up to the surprise judge. You're going to meet the surprise judge on the 25th. Bond is $50. Good luck, sir.
Am I released or am I?
You have a $1,050 in bonds. Good luck.
Thank you.
Michael Valdez. And then David Graham is after Michael. Tell me your full name, sir.
Michael Ray Valdez.
Mr. Valdez, this is, you have two different matters, narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Two hearings, the 21st and the 25th, bond is $50. The next one, sir, is narcotic drugs and dangerous drugs. Those are both Class 4 felonies. I've appointed you that same attorney. Same hearing dates, 21st and 25th. Bond is $1,000 set by the judge who issued this warrant. Good luck, sir. David Graham. David, come on up. And then Peterson is after Graham.
David Graham, October 10, 1999.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate that.
You're welcome, Your Honor.
Sir, this first one's an extreme DUI. That's a misdemeanor out of the Santan Justice Court. I cannot appoint you an attorney on the misdemeanor. You're going to meet the Santan judge on the 20th. He or she has the ability to appoint an attorney. The judge wants an unusual bond, $680. So that's what that is on that misdemeanor. The next one is a probation violation. I can appoint you an attorney on that. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 21st, downtown Phoenix. I set bond in the amount of $50. Please reach out to your probation officer. They may help you try to solve both of them. Good luck.
Your Honor, I do have paperwork here that says for the probation violation. When I was out in Pinell, it said I have court Tuesday, February 18th, 2025 at 8:30.
Well, sir, mine supersedes everything. Good luck. We'll get you to both of them if we need to. Joby, come on up, Joby. After Joey is Joshua Amaya. Tell me your full name, sir.
Joby Lee Peterson, 227, 1965.
Thank you, sir, for the extra information. I appreciate that. Narcotic drugs, a Class 4 felony, misdemeanor driving under the influence as a misdemeanor, and then another misdemeanor driving under the influence with a metabolite, usually considered a drug. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. You have two hearings coming up, March 3 and March 5, both of them downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. Good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Thank you so much.
With DUIs, you have to be careful. You may not have your driving privileges. Joshua, come on up, Joshua. And then Daryl is after Joshua. Good evening, sir. Tell me your full name.
Joshua David Amaya.
Sir, you have two different matters. The first one's a probation warrant for your arrest. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 21st of this month. Downtown Phoenix, you're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. The other one's almost identical, another probation violation, same attorney, same hearing date, the 21st, same location, downtown Phoenix, same release condition on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. That puts you out about 2 a.m. in the morning. The first thing you've got to do when you walk out of this building is call your probation officer. I know it's 2 a.m. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 21st. 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 21st.
Yes,
A class 4 felony carries a presumptive 2.5 years in prison. Good luck.
You are the man, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You just do what you're supposed to do. Take care of yourself. Daryl. Come on, Daryl. After Daryl is Brandon Litz. Or Lights, I'm not sure which. Tell me your full name.
Daryl James Shagum.
Sir, this is a narcotic drug case, class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney, sir. Your next hearing is the 3rd and the 5th, both in downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Brandon, come on up, Brandon. And then Darnell Paya is after Brandon. Tell me your full name.
Brandon Chester Leeds.
I mispronounced your last name. I apologize.
No problem.
The first one we have, sir, is a probation violation. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 21st of this month, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. Second one's almost identical, another probation violation. Same hearing date, 21st, same location, downtown Phoenix, same release on your own recognizance. Last one, another probation violation. Same attorney, same hearing date, the 21st, same location, downtown Phoenix, same release on your own recognizance. You'll be stepping outside this building at about 2 a.m. in the morning. First thing you have to do is reach in and grab your phone and call your probation officer. You'll probably just leave a message, but make the phone call. If you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet 2 good reasons on each of these 3 cases, 6 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 21st.
Thank you, sir.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Darnell Paya. And then Terraza Midwell is after this gentleman. Tell me your full name.
Darnell Lee Paya.
Mr. Paya, this is a narcotic drug case, class 4 felony, drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony.
Mhm.
I've appointed you an attorney, sir.
All right.
You have 2 hearings coming up, the 3rd and the 5th. I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in 6 hours. Good luck.
All right. I'm just checking because like a couple of days ago, my mama, she posted a bond for me and I got out until I had to go to court and they drugged me back in here for some reason.
Well, sir, all I can tell you is I have this warrant for your arrest and I have to process it.
All right.
Good luck.
All right. Thank you. You too.
Midwell? Come on up. Stephanie's after Midwell. Tell me your full name.
Isaiah Charles Julius Midwell.
Sir, this is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation ratification hearing on the 21st. Downtown Phoenix, you're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. As soon as you get out of here at about 2 a.m. in the morning, call your probation officer. I know it's the middle of the night, but if you follow their rules and my rules, you're given the next judge you meet on the 21st. Very good reasons to not put you in prison on the 21st. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
Stephanie? Come on up, Stephanie. And then Harley Buckaloo is after.
Stephanie Elizabeth Tomkinson.
Thank you, Miss. Miss, this is a aggravated driving under the influence, class 4 felony, and driving under the influence as a misdemeanor. I've appointed you an attorney, Miss. Your next hearing is on the 21st, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. With any DUIs, there's what's called an admin per se. So your driving privileges are at
Yeah.
risk. You
This
may not
case
have.
is from 2021. I don't know why it's saying aggravated now because I've already pled to a misdemeanor as a probation, so I don't really, or 2022, I mean, but
I suggest you take all the paperwork
Yep.
and show up at the judge on
I
the
will,
21st.
Your Honor. Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Harley? And Darius Curry is after Buckaloo. Tell me your full name.
Holly J. Buckaloo.
Mr. Buckaloo, this is a dangerous drug case, class 4 felony. I've appointed you an attorney. You have 2 hearings coming up, the 3rd and the 5th, both downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out here in about 6 hours. Good luck.
Thank you.
Darius Curry. Tell me your full name, sir.
Darius Curry.
This is a probation violation matter. I've appointed you an attorney. You're going to have a probation revocation hearing on the 21st, downtown Phoenix. You're being released on your own recognizance. The next one, sir, is a narcotic drug case, class 4 felony, and drug paraphernalia, class 6 felony. Same attorney, different hearing dates, the 3rd and the 5th of March. Again, you're being released on your own recognizance. You'll be out of here in about 6 hours. At 2 o'clock in the morning, when you step outside, you've got to call your PO, follow their rules and follow my rules. You're going to give the next judge you meet on the 21st 2 good reasons to not put you in prison on the 21st. Good luck. Now we're up to our Spanish. Is that correct? Okay. Señor Carrello, señor Carrello, Carrello, allí, por favor. Allí. Do I have the Spanish interpreter with me?
Yes.
Thank you. We're going to start the hearing now. Sir, if you are partially bilingual, please wait for the interpretation before you answer.
Hola, yo seré su intérprete el día de hoy. Señor, si usted es parcialmente bilingüe, por favor espera que el intérprete termine de hacer la interpretación antes de contestar.
Please tell me your name, sir.
Por favor, dígame su nombre.
Servando Lizárraga Carrillo.
Servando Estado Carrillo.
This is a theft case as a felony. I have appointed you an attorney.
Este es un caso de robo como un crimen y se le puso un abogado.
Your next hearing date is the 21st of February, downtown Phoenix. Your bond is $2,500. Good luck, sir.
Su siguiente fecha de corte es el 21 de febrero, el centro de Phoenix. Su fianza es de $2,500. Buena suerte.
Would you invite Mr. Jesus Lerma to the podium?
Buenas tardes, señoría.
Sir, if you are partially bilingual, please wait for the interpretation before you answer.
Señor, si usted es parcialmente bilingüe, por favor, espera que la intérprete termine de interpretar antes de contestar.
Okay.
Please tell me your name, sir.
Por favor, dígame su nombre.
Jesús Ernesto López Lerma.
Mr. Ernesto López Lerma.
Sir, you're charged with narcotic drugs, which is a class 4 felony.
Usted tiene el cargo de poseer narcóticos, que es un crimen clase 4.
Your next hearing is February 21st, downtown Phoenix.
Siguiente fecha de corte es el 21 de febrero, al centro de Phoenix.
Bond is $500. Good luck, sir.
Fianza de $5,000. Buena suerte.
Ok, ¿puedo hacer una pregunta?
Can I make a question?
Yes?
Ok, yo había pagado una fianza hace un mes pasadito, que estaba aquí, tenía que venir a corte y ustedes mismos me entregaron al ICE, ¿no? Y me llevaron me tuvieron detenido, no pude venir a corte, por eso es que estoy aquí otra vez. Y mi corte era ayer y no me trajeron y ahora me están poniendo otra para otro día, para 20 días, bueno, unos días más.
I already paid for the bond and a few weeks ago, and then I was detained and I wasn't able to go to court date. That was yesterday, and now you're giving me another one.
Yes, there's another one. It's secured appearance. If you come up with $50 and an agreement with the bonding company, you can be out of here.
Sí, es para asegurar su aparición. Si usted puede dar $50 con una compañía de pago de fianzas, pues
Good luck, sir.
No, pero, ok, lo de la fianza, lo que pagué la fianza, pues para que vengan a recogerlo, porque pues si estaba detenido, ¿cómo reclaman el dinero ese? Pues ustedes mismos me entregaron al ICE.
but what I paid for the bond, and how can I do it? Because you were the ones that gave me to the ICE.
Sir, this is a new warrant. The bond is $500. I'm sorry.
Lo siento, la fianza es de $500, perdone. Lo siento.
Good luck.
De $500 es mi fianza de ahorita.
$500 is my bond for now.
Yes.
Ok, pero a lo que me refiero, que si la pago ahorita, me vuelve a me agarra el ICE y me vuelve a llevar a CCA. Ya en CCA tenía un mes y otra vez me volvieron a pasar para acá y vuelvo a pagar la fianza, me van a volver a llevar a CCA y así voy a estar. Ya tengo varios meses así, van 2 veces que me pasa lo mismo.
But if I pay for the bond, ICE is going to come and take me to the CCA, and it's been 2 months like that already that I pay for the bond, and ICE come and get me.
Sir, I'm sorry, the bond on this case is $500. I'm not going to change it. Good luck, sir.
Señor, lo siento, la fianza para este caso de $500, no voy a cambiarlo.
Miss Interpreter Arturo Santana, please.
Okay, Arturo Centena.
Sir, if you are partially bilingual, please wait for the interpretation before you answer.
Si es parcialmente bilingüe, por favor espera que la interpretación termine antes de contestar.
This is a dangerous drug case and a drug paraphernalia case.
Este es un caso de
Drug paraphernalia. Miss Interpreter, are you with us? Miss Interpreter, we cannot hear you. Go ahead and hang up and let's try again. Un momento, señor.
Gracias.
Un momento. Officer, are you bilingual?
No, sir.
Okay. Why don't we have the gentleman sit back down and then I'll do Watson next. Is he the only one in there?
Say one more, sir. Watson?
Okay. Tell me your full name.
Brooklyn Watson.
Sir, the reason we partially cleared the courtroom and the only person here is Spanish speaking, not English speaking, is so we don't accidentally cause problems. The first case you have is dangerous drugs and drug paraphernalia. Those are class 4 and class 6 felonies. I've appointed you an attorney in that. Your next hearing is the 21st. Bond is $50. The next one, sir, is the one I'm worried about. We try not to say this to anyone with witnesses around. We try not to tell anybody what your charges are, and we don't want you to tell anybody what your charges are.
I have a
For your own
question about
safety.
this one, actually. 'Cause
Pardon?
I have a question about this one. I did go downtown
Well,
to
sir-
get this taken care of.
Sir, all I can tell you is it wasn't taken care of to the satisfaction of the grand jury, and the grand jury issued this. And this is failure to register, and it's a second failure to register as a different underground reason for a class 4 and class 6 felonies. The grand jury issued a bond of $1,500. You're going to meet your next judge on the 21st. Please don't show anybody this paperwork other than your attorney. Please don't talk to anybody about this other than your attorney for your own safety. Good luck, sir. The officer's going to hand you your paperwork. Do we have? Yes. Thank you. Señor Santana? Señor Santana? Allí, por favor. Miss Interpreter, or Interpreter, are you with the court?
Hello, this is Victor. I'll be your Spanish interpreter for today.
Thank you. We're going to start the hearing. This is a dangerous drug and drug paraphernalia case. Interpret, please.
Ok, vamos a comenzar con la audiencia. Esto es un caso peligroso de drogas y parafernalia de uso de drogas.
I have appointed you an attorney. Your next hearing is March 3rd, downtown Phoenix.
Le he designado un abogado y su próxima audiencia es el 3 de marzo en Downtown Phoenix.
You're being released to pretrial services. You'll be out in 6 hours. Good luck, sir.
será liberado hacia servicios previos al juicio y le dejarán en libertad en unas 6 horas. Buena suerte, señor.
The court wants to thank and excuse the interpreter. Thank you, sir.
You are welcome. Thank you for using our service. Have a good day.